Here's how to diamond lace Jordan 4s. Start by taking a hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets here. And the way we're going to do that is start on the right, wiggle that lace end through, and then you want to bring it up through the very bottom eyelet on the left until you have something that looks like this. Looking good. Then you can bring your lace ends together, loosen up that little lace loop a bit, take a hold of your Jordans, and then pull those laces slowly. And what that means is your laces will come out of equal length. If yours haven't, don't worry about it at all. Just pause the video and make sure they're equal before we get started. Looking good. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace on the right, and we're going to bring it over to the left and down into the third eyelet up from the bottom. We're going to go down into that from above like I'm doing here. So just wiggle it through, pull it through. Then keep a hold of this same lace, and you see this empty second eyelet here. We're going to bring it up through that from underneath. Looking good. Then we're going to swap to our other lace and do the same on this side. We're going to bring it over to the right and down into the third eyelet up from the bottom, from above, until we have a little X pattern here. Then keep a hold of this same lace, and this second empty eyelet, we're going to bring that up through from underneath. Now remember, you can play this video on a half speed or pause as much as you need to. There's no rush at all with this. Then we're going to keep a hold of this lace on the right, bring it over to the left. We're going to skip an eyelet and instead take it down into the one above that from above. And then we're going to bring it up through that empty eyelet below from underneath. Looking good. Then we're going to swap to our other lace and do the same over here on the right. We're going to skip an eyelet and instead take the lace end down into the one above that. And then we're going to bring it up through the empty eyelet beneath that from underneath. If that all makes sense, just like this, see? Looking good. And then we're going to repeat that pattern. Keep a hold of your lace on the right, bring it over to the left, skip an eyelet and instead take your lace end down into the one above that. Then bring the lace end up through the empty one from underneath. Swap to the other lace and do the same on this side. We're going to bring it over, skip an eyelet, take the lace end down to the one above. Then bring that lace end up through that empty eyelet from underneath. Now we're going to do something a little bit different now to finish off the pattern. Keep a hold of your lace on the right, and we're just going to bring it over and down into the very next empty eyelet on the left. So we're not skipping this time, just go through the very next empty eyelet. Swap your lace, bring it over to the right and down into the very next empty eyelet. So through the plastic, just wiggle it through the eyelet. Then take a hold of your two laces, and you want to tie them in a loose little lace bow, but not super tight. And then you want to tuck that behind the sneaker tongue out of sight, and it'll just sit on top of your foot, and you'll be able to slip your foot in and out without messing up the pattern. Repeat on your other sneaker, you'll have an awesome pair of diamond lace Jordan 4s. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for your sneaker lacing content. Thanks guys!